lights so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
My dear students, today we are starting our new chapter. In the previous chapter, we have studied that an electric current can produce heating effect. We will now study that an electric current can also produce a magnetic effect. The term magnetic effect of electric current means that an electric current flowing in a wire produces a magnetic field around it. അതായത് ഒരു വയറിനകത്തൂടെ കറണ്ട് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? അതിന് ചുറ്റും ഒരു മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഫീൽഡ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യും. In other words, electric current can produce magnetism. In 1819, a Danish physicist named Hans Christian Ørsted discovered a relationship between electricity and magnetism. He found that a wire carrying current causes a deflection in the needle of a magnetic compass placed near the wire. Here, the current carrying wire behaves as a magnet. In this chapter, we have to study about the magnetic field produced by a straight current carrying wire, a circular loop, and a long coil of wire. We will now discuss about a magnet and the magnetic field produced by it. In Standard 6, we have studied about magnets, its shapes, and its properties. What is a magnet? It is an object which attracts pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Magnets comes in various shapes and sizes depending on their intended use. And what else we have studied? Magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The North Pole repels the North Pole of another magnet but attracts the South Pole. Similarly, the South Pole repels the South Pole of another magnet. That is, the like poles repel and unlike poles attract each other. Then what are their uses? Okay, magnets are used in radio, television, speakers, generators, electric motors, etc. The magnetic resonance imaging technique is used to scan inner human body parts in hospitals. MRI scanning is the word which is more familiar to us than magnetic resonance imaging. MRI scanning is എല്ലാവരും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? So that is familiar for us. Okay, now we have to discuss about magnetic field. Have you ever heard this term, magnetic field? Just as an electric charge creates an electric field, a magnet creates a magnetic field around it. Can you define a magnetic field? The space or region around the magnet where the magnetic force can be detected is called magnetic field. To locate the magnetic field of a bar magnet, we use a magnetic compass. A magnetic field is represented by a series of lines or paths around a magnet. These lines are called magnetic field lines, or it is otherwise called the magnetic lines of force. Hence, the magnetic field lines are the lines drawn in a magnetic field along which a north magnetic pole would move. These lines can be plotted by using a magnetic compass. A compass needle gets deflected when brought near a bar magnet. Next day, we have to study about the properties of magnetic field lines.